Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we'll walk you through the process of reacting to comments on a video in YouTube on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open YouTube on your PC. Step 2. Once you've found the video you want to view comments on, click on the comments section to access the comments. Step 3. Scroll through the comments and locate the one you want to react to. Step 4. If you appreciate a comment, simply click on the like icon. This will show your support and let the commenter know you enjoyed their contribution. Step 5. On the other hand, if you come across a comment you don't agree with or dislike, you can express your sentiment by clicking on the dislike icon. Reacting to comments allows you to engage with the YouTube community and share your thoughts on the content. Remember to keep the conversation respectful and considerate. And there you have it. You now know how to react to comments on a YouTube video using your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching.